Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to share project status updates on Asana, a feature that's a real game changer for team collaboration. To begin, open your Asana dashboard and locate the project you wish to update. The reason we do this first is to ensure we're sharing updates about the right project. A simple mistake here can lead to confusion later, so double-check you've got the right one. Next, click on the Progress tab at the top of your project page. This is where you'll be able to update and monitor the status of your project. This is a crucial step because it allows you to assess the overall progress of your project and relay that information to your team effectively. Now, click on the Update Status button. Here, you can choose the status of your project, whether it's on track, at risk, or off track. It's essential to be honest with your project status. It helps your team understand where the project stands and what needs to be done to ensure its success. Once you've selected the status, you'll need to write a brief description of the project's current situation. This helps your team understand the reasons behind the status and what has happened since the last update. Be as clear and concise as possible to avoid any misunderstandings. Now that we've done that, click on the Share Status button. This will send a notification to all project members about the new status update. Sharing these updates regularly ensures that everyone is on the same page and can adjust their tasks accordingly. And there you have it. You've just shared a project status update on Asana. This powerful feature keeps your team aligned and informed, ensuring that everyone knows the current state of the project and what their next steps should be. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, clear communication is the key to successful collaboration. Until next time, happy project managing.